Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to introduce top 5 pickup trucks to buy in 2021. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Honda Ridgeline 2021. Starting at $37,715, Honda Ridgeline is the only pickup truck Honda has to offer, but don't let that disappoint you. Roomier and comfortable than any of its competitors, its V6 powertrain is a 280 horsepower, 3.5-liter that makes 262 pounds-foot torque. Ridgeline is more fuel efficient and accelerates quickly. It's a standard all-wheel drive that can tow up to 5,000 pounds. What further bolsters the Ridgeline is its automatic, smooth, and competent drive on the road. With its all-new fancy features, the 2021 Honda Ridgeline gives a classy and unparalleled feel. Number 4. Chevy Colorado 2021. The 2021 Chevrolet Colorado starts at $26,395. It is a fine everyday pickup truck offering practicality with significant towing and payload ratings. It is easier to maneuver than its successors, which were quite big. The Colorado comes in a 4-cylinder with a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 308 horsepower V6 with an 8-speed automatic, and a 2.8-liter 4-cylinder, making 396 pounds-foot torque. Although Colorado is a fine truck, but its absence of technology and inferior interior does affect its popularity. Number 3. Ford Super Duty 2021. With massive torque and towing figures, the 2021 Ford Super Duty starts at $35,925. Ford's heavy-duty trucks are way more robust and durable than anyone. Super Duty is not only a versatile truck, but a luxurious machine. Its diesel engine can create 1,050 pounds-foot of torque, and its meanest model can tow 37,000 pounds with all its mighty capabilities. It comes with a luxurious interior and display. Number 2. Ford F-150. The 2021 Ford F-150 begins at $30,985. Ford F-150 comes in various engines with a well-constructed cabin. It can tow up to 14,000 pounds with a payload capacity ranging from 1,840 to 3,250. For the first time, Ford has offered a hybrid powertrain, and with new upgrades and inventive features, Ford F-150 plays its role for pickup supremacy. Number 1. Ram 1500. The 2021 Ram 1500 starts at $30,895 and provides unrivaled luxury with innovation at its best. Its futuristic interior provides a comforted ride. It can tow up to 12,750 pounds and carries a payload of 2,320 pounds. Its V6 and V8 powertrains are paired with 8-speed automatic transmission and assisted by a 48-volt hybrid power system. For folks who like off-roading, it provides a legitimate experience. Now it's all up to our truck lovers to land on a perfect choice. Although we hope that our go-to preference list will aid your decisions for the better.